think the Jimny is a misunderstood car because it looks very lifestyle-y. But the car is really built to mag off-road, which is why on the road it just seems so impractical. Entering River Ranch, Santa Ines. Proper. Oh, it's an old Jimny. Hello, ancestor.
Lolo.
Lolo!
Grandfather.
Oh, baka ano pa yan?
Samurai.
Diba?
Oo, samurai.
Ito yung ano, fluffy na chicken, oh.
Oo nga.
Yung mga manok ni Bretman Rock.
Oh.
Grabe, ang laki sa TikTok ngayon ng manok.
There's a sheep.
Have you seen Bretman's,
Yeah.
Did you watch Bretman's, may siya, this is my chickens.
Iconic. Off-road.
Off-road. Gusto ko yung nagde-drift ng pag
Kaya yun dito. Nakakatakot lang kasi parang tataob siya.
Are we gonna take the...
I don't know nga eh.
Saan niyo po gusto, sir?
Saan ba pwede? Kahit
Kaya
saan?
po, sir, ikot po muna kayo. Tapos, kung gusto niyo po dito, sa may kubo, malapit dito sa may CR,
Okay.
pwede niyo po itong gamitin, sir.
Okay.
Libre po.
Ah, okay.
Kahit po yung gazebo. Tapos, hanggang doon po yung area natin. Kung gusto niyo
Wow.
talagang riverfront,
Ah,
may
okay.
daanan din po tayo dyan.
Ah, may daanan din papunta dyan? Saan yung dadaan?
Guide ka po kayo, sir. Gusto niyo, ikot muna tayo.
Sige.
Oh, look at this, oh.
But like I said, when you're in the Jimny, steads lang. Mataas na yung angle of approach niya sa harap. Check this out. Beauty, look at that.
Could have enjoyed judging on the spicy.
Open the window.
Saya.
We can stay. That's a good spot there, right?
Under the tree.
Yeah, we'll go around muna. And then I think we'll go back to there.
Hey, here we are. Finally made it to River Ranch, Santa Ines. Oh wow. So I'm actually here because my riding buddy Joe, with his wife Chase, he actually wanted to try the Jimny. He's considering buying one, so we thought why not go on a little test ride adventure, and finally here. I've never been to any of the Santa Ines campsites, so I'm so happy to be here with the Jimny on this beautiful, beautiful day. Tampisaw is life. Hihi, the water's tamang cool lang. So, this is the river from where River Ranch gets its name. The water is super nice. It's nice and cool.
Sarap. Look at that.
I like how there's no signal.
Yeah.
The good and like you really want to get away. This is it. Ganda ng mga rock.
So quick first impressions, my first time here at River Ranch after hearing a lot about it, and I have to say it is one of the most nice accessible campsites. Lovely space right beside the river. Lots of space, you can park pretty much right beside the river. I even see some tire tracks in that river part where we just were, and I already know I'd love to come back here with my friends, spend the night out, and especially try moto camping here. The terrain's pretty accessible, but it should be fun for some like basic off-road practice and riding. It's nice, it's tucked away, especially on a weekday morning like this. It's nice and quiet except for the grass cutter over there. And yeah, it's just so nice to be right beside the river. It's just gonna be a super chill day, not gonna do much content, but glad to finally have made it down here to any campsite in Santa Ynez, particularly here at River Ranch.
Alam mo sa YouTube. Tapos bigla mo sa pan.
Yung mga TikTok na ano.
Now I know why people have those harang things on the side of the plane.
Oh, hindi ko dinala yung akin.
It's a good clickbait. I crashed it. Minit na siya.
Oo, lakas ng flame ah.
Like and subscribe, pero wala pa silang ano. Email lang natin. I love it. Ang ganda ng paligid.
And the farm was there.
Nice one!